we would probably get the Guinness Book of Records for the biggest Famous Amos cookie ever made. To make this a perfect big cookie, we decided it cannot just be an ordinary cookie recipe. It has to be a Famous Amos recipe. You must be asking,
Why Famous Amos cookies?
this is why. Where we live, the most prominent cookie outlet is Famous Amos. And Malaysians are super obsessed in finding the secret recipe for this cookie since the first outlet came to our shores, including me. Obviously, we had to use this Famous Amos recipe to make our biggest cookie. And it will not be a chocolate chip cookie. You will be asking again,
Why not chocolate chip?
as it is the most popular cookie in the whole wide world, right? The reason is simple. To us, we wanted something healthier because of our crazy high cholesterol levels. Using our Famous Amos recipe, we removed the chocolate chips and replaced them with raisins and oats. Some of you must be thinking, 1 cup of sugar is a lot, right? But it is a must if you want to call this an almost Famous Amos cookie. I have explained it in this video. I will leave the link at the end of this show. This recipe is as close as I can get to that secret recipe. I think beside the sugar, the other 2 ingredients that makes this recipe as good, as real, as Famous Amos is the almond powder and the oats. Oats, which has beta-glucan, can help lower our high cholesterol. Raisins gives us fiber, great for digestion. If you want the perfect Famous Amos crunch, then patience is a must. This dough needs to chill overnight. You heard me right, overnight. To ensure our cookie comes out a perfect circle, we are going to place our cookie dough in this spring cake pan, 7.5 inches large. I was planning to go larger, but this is my biggest spring cake pan that I own. Drop spoonfuls of the dough all around the pan. With that easy part done, let's do the fun step next. Using our fingers, we gently squeeze those dough. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. We make sure every part of the pan is covered with cookie dough. Then we put the pan to bake for 15 minutes at 170 Celsius. Here comes the tricky bit, trying to pry the baked cookie without breaking. This cookie is very fragile. Do this step really slow. Hooray! We did it! Our biggest Famous Amos cookie ever! Let's be realistic. This cookie is too big. Almost impossible to bite into. How do you bite this? As we were breaking into bite-sized pieces, we felt the middle part was underbaked. We fixed that by baking the broken cookies another 5 minutes in the oven. This step makes the cookie even more crunchier and super delicious. Another problem with this cookie is storage. It will not fit in this cookie jar. Need to break it to smaller pieces. Would you make a cookie like this instead of the traditional size? Leave your comment below. Before you start changing the sugar ratio of this recipe, watch our next video. Subscribe,
share and comment. Thanks for watching.